and fucked it up.
All the times I went and fucked it
I
up.
wonder when I love me is enough.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amelia, and if you are new to my channel and you just stumbled on this video and you saw the thumbnail and you're like, let me see what's going on this channel. Yes, my name is Amelia, now you know. So why don't you go ahead and subscribe so you go, and thank you for tuning in. For my old subscribers, we are at 800k and you 800 I can't talk today. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amelia, and if you didn't know, now you know. So for my new subscribers, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. You guys are the real, like, you guys are my friends in this platform. You guys have no idea. I do not have a lot of friends, kind of. So I have made a little nice family on YouTube, and I really love you guys. You guys are just showing me so much love. We are at 800 subscribers. Yay! And I'm so happy. And when we get to 1k, we get a giveaway. So if you are not subscribed and your notification bells are not on, then I don't know what you're waiting for, because this giveaway is gonna pass you by. It's gonna be huge, like really huge. It's gonna be a really huge giveaway when we get to 1k. So today I am gonna be trying to tint my brows, because I wanted to go do a brow tint, but then coronavirus and lockdown came in, so I didn't get to do that anymore. So I'm gonna be trying some at home today. If you see my lighting, it's not like overly too much, because I'm trying to use the natural lighting. It's so much sun outside. Let me use the natural lighting and film this video, and let's see how the quality looks. So it's still gonna be the same filming setup, except for the fact that there's no ring light but this window. So let's get right into this video. So I'm gonna start first by cleaning my brows with 99% alcohol. This is 99%, as you guys can see. So it's a 99% alcohol right there, 99% alcohol. So I got my alcohol pods. So I'm just gonna take one and clean my brows and get rid of all the oils on my brows. And while you're doing this step, please close your eyes. The eyes you're actually cleaning. I don't know how to do that, but I can't actually close my eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my brows, clean everywhere around the brows. So now our brows are all cleaned up and free of any oil or anything like that. We are going to be mixing this. So we're using this. It's the Man Mustache and Beard dye. I'm using the color dark brown. So the pack just looks like this, and it's in a dark brown, and it comes with a little brush, which I'm not gonna use because it's kind of too big and my brows will go out of control with this brush. And I'm trying not to stain the whole of my face while during this process. So it also came with one of this is the dark brown base. It just says dark brown, and it also came with a natural color developer right here. So I think I have to mix both of them together, and it came with a tray. So this is the tray, this is the tray, this is the tray. So let's see what the instructions say. I'm opening this for the first time with you guys, so let's see what the instructions tell me. Okay, so now I'm saying it says keep it for 5 minutes, but nobody actually does. From all the videos I saw, nobody keeps it for 5 minutes. People do like 10. I think I'm gonna do 15 just because I just want to. So you put one little, like you put one of each on both sides, and then you mix it up. So I'm not going to be doing too much because it's just my brows, and my brows are not that big. It's not my whole head. So we're just going to have a little scoop of everything. But first of all, before we get into all that, I saw some people use petroleum gel, and some people say it's good to use concealer to kind of map out your brows. in the direction or shape that you want it to look. So I am going to be using my little handy dandy mirror for this process. So I just have my little flat angle concealer brush. This is what I use to my concealers. I'm just gonna go right below my brows. I'm trying not to obstruct this video so you guys can see what I'm doing. So my brows are actually cleaned up. As you guys can see, my brows are not even at all. Like, one of them is going this way and the other one is going this way. So I'm trying to put them all together. They're not supposed to be twins, but they can be sisters. So let's go ahead and try this out and see how I'm gonna look after this process. You guys should pray for me because I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm just quarantine bored. I think that's why I'm doing this. So I'm just gonna put a little scoop. Oh my god, this developer was about to mess my whole day up. So I'm gonna have a little scoop like so. I just have a little bit. And now I'm gonna get the scoop, a little scoop of the brown too. Okay, this is better. It didn't try to follow me. Just this little, and put it at the side. I think that would do. What you all think? So I'm gonna mix the two together with the end of this brush. And by the way, if you wanna go get this, you can find it at any store, beauty supply, Walmart, CVS, Kroger, wherever, Family Dollar, Dollar General. It's about $8 to $9. I think I got it from Walgreens and it was like $9.99. But I think you can get it cheaper at Walmart. I didn't just want to drive all the way to Walmart when I got this, so I got it from Walgreens because I was just being lazy and it was $9.99. So I have my brush. It's the spoolie and the brush angle. So I don't know if I should use this camera or I should use my mirror, but I think I'll go with my mirror just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna use the angle brush, and I'm not trying to make the front of my lashes look boxy, so I'm gonna be using at the back first. You guys pray for me that my brows don't look like crazy after this. And I don't even know if I'm putting enough product because they didn't really say how much product you should use, so I'm just doing what I can. So actually I'm someone who likes trying new things and experimenting. When I saw this, I was like, I think I should try it and see how it turns out, because if it turns out good for everybody, then it should turn out good for me too, right? Yes, right. If you guys see me keep looking on this angle, I keep getting some really crazy notifications coming in, and I'm using my phone to record, which is like the only disadvantage of using your phone to record is the fact that your notifications get into your phone while you're recording, and sometimes you want to peep and see what's going on, and you want to see like who's texting me, who's doing this, who's doing that, and that's just too distracting. That is why a lot of people prefer having a camera, but I don't really mind. I'll get a camera when I'm ready, when I got the money. Okay, so I got this brow done, and I'm gonna do this other one off camera because you guys are not gonna be able to see, because I have to be like all the way in my face to see what I'm doing. Oh, I am back, and we are gonna be doing the front of my brows. So as you guys can see, one of my brows are thicker than the other one. It's like my brows are just so uneven, they're annoying. So I'm trying to do this in strokes at the front. I'm kind of really scared to take it all the way to the front because I don't want my brows to really look boxy. That would be really scary. So we're gonna let this sit. I still have a lot of product going on. A whole lot of product, so you don't need that much. I really didn't need too much. So I'm gonna have my timer up for 10 minutes, and let's see how my brows are gonna look after 10 whole minutes. Hopefully we get better results and not some boxy kind of eyebrow look. So we are back, and I don't know what I'm gonna be using to clean this out. So we are back, and it says we should rinse it off. So I'm using the witch hazel. So it just says rinse it up thoroughly till it's all clear. So we're gonna be using 2 alcohol pads because it's kind of dry and I want it to soak out real good. So we make sure we don't have no products left, so our face doesn't keep on getting darker as even when we are not using it. So I'm just gonna pat this and let it sit and soak it out a little bit. I think it's soaked. Oh, so I'm just gonna clean this out. Is this a disaster or what? You guys tell me. Let me know in the comment section below if I did something wrong, or if I shouldn't have done this at all to my brows. But I think they turned out good. They're not bad. Thank God I didn't put them at the front. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Let's see. What's my mirror? Let us see the moment of truth. Okay, so I'm glad I didn't do too much, like put a lot of product at the front of my brows and all that, because they would have been a disaster. I think so far it's not bad. You guys should let me know in the comment section what you think about this brows. I know my brows are not twin sisters. They are just the most annoying things in the world. But you guys tell me what you feel, what you think about this brows in the comment section. I don't know how it turned, if it turned out really, like, I think it surpassed my like a lot of people. What? So a lot of people had it stain really bad. Thank God mine didn't do too much, so it can easily be washed off in a couple of days if I don't like it, hopefully. But I think I do like it so far. It's not like the perfect thing. It's not like something like I'll get a professional do it for me, but since I don't have anybody to do it right now, I decided to try and see how my brows are gonna look if I have it on. So if I decide to actually go do it, I need to know how it's gonna look in the first place. So I know this video is not of the best quality because I decided to use my natural lighting from the window, and right now, as you can see, the sun is setting, so it's giving all this division on me, but you can still work with that. We're almost done with the video already. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below, and if you want to see more videos like this, please just let me know. Give me more video suggestions. Oh, the girls are trying to come out. Let me fix this, gal. Let's fix this. Fix it. So we don't have our girls out there, because y'all don't want to see them girls, right? So just let me know in the comment section below if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see me try more new things, leave it down in the comment section. I'm very good at trying things. I am very adventurous. I love trying things. Even if I don't know how to do it, I'm still gonna try anyway. My brows turned out pretty, not perfect, but pretty much surpassed what I was expecting. So thank you guys so much, and I love you guys. Thank you all for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next video.